Hello everybody and welcome to our tutorial today. Fortunately we have a good feature or new feature in Petrel which related to boundaries and surface imaging. Our area of interest would be on Gulf of Suez, which is in the right side of Egypt. Let's load the shoreline first, and choose general line points as ASCII from drop-down menu. Choose now shoreline, then OK. We have no header line, get 0, and leave the default X and Y, and Z we have no Z. Z should be 0 because it is boundary. Okay. Yes, this is a shoreline. Where is that shoreline located in? Let's see on the new feature of Petrel. Go to Object and New Map Service. The new feature, we have a library of surface imaging. Like Google Earth, maybe more detailed than Google Earth and higher resolution. Also, we have a new two feature. We can talk about them later on: seismic 2D and 3D database. For a while, we can use the simplest one, Bing Map Imagery. Okay. Now you see the detailed, like a Google Earth detailed map displayed on the screen. Can zoom in or out like any other Petrel feature, but depends. The loading depends on the internet speed in your country. For a while, let's focus on our area of interest. Unfortunately, we missed the shoreline on this display. Yes, what can we do is go for spatial image, right click and setting. For imagery, can we make it lower to display the shoreline or any other polygon on surface? Let's make it 1000, negative 1000. Yes, display it correctly. As usual, we can double click here or make the line thinner. Change line color, white or black or whatever. Okay. Yes. Now you can locate your oil field, whatever you want, in anywhere in the world. This is a new feature of Petrel. Okay. Thank you for watching and wait us for the next one. Thank you.